Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix mic not working on Bigo Live. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing you need to do is open up the mobile settings. In the mobile settings, scroll down and find apps. Tap on it. Once you do tap on apps, tap on manage apps and search for Bigo Live here. Tap it and this app information will appear. Scroll down and click on app permissions. Make sure that the microphone has been turned to allowed. Once it is turned to allowed, go back to the home screen. Go back from here at the top, click on storage and at the bottom click on clear data and click on clear the cache memory. Once you do that too, go to the home screen and open up App Store or Play Store and here search for Bigo Live. Once you do search for Bigo Live, make sure that it is updated. If not, update it first, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.